Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting a new activity now. Make sure GPS is locked and you've selected the right sport so data is valid. Begin recording and ride or run the full stretch you intend to make a segment from, because segments are created from uploaded GPS data. Once done, stop and save the activity. Strava needs that exact recorded file to generate a segment. If you can, ride the section cleanly without detours so the path is clear and repeatable for others. Now you'll create the segment from your saved activity. Open the activity and choose Create Segment from the menu, because segments derive from recorded rides. Drag the start and finish handles to the exact GPS points. Zoom in to match road intersections or landmarks so the segment is reproducible. Name it descriptively so others know the location and difficulty, and choose privacy settings. Make sure to preview the segment distance and elevation. This helps avoid accidental duplicates or overly short sections. Finish by saving the segment and reviewing it on the map. Check the leaderboard and the route overlay to confirm the path matches what you intended. If the GPS trace is messy or the start/end are off, edit the segment immediately or delete and recreate it using a cleaner activity. If needed, export, correct, and re-upload a GPX to replace errors, because precise GPS fixes make segments fair and repeatable. Keep one key tip. If others report
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.